If you're following an ultra-low-carb keto diet or zero-carb carnivore diet, then from time to time, you probably experience strong cravings for traditional carb-laden refried beans. Unfortunately, a typical 1-cup serving of traditional refried beans contains a whopping 32 grams of total carbs. This pretty much makes it off limits to those of us on a keto or carnivore diet. But your cravings for refried beans are about to come to an end. Because this video will walk you through a quick and easy recipe for making delicious zero-carb refried beans. All that, coming right up. This recipe was inspired by Chris Cooking Nashville, who created the original recipe for a carnivore version of refried beans. One of the key differences between Chris's recipes and this one is that Chris's recipe uses thick-cut bologna as the secret ingredient while this one uses Spam. Another difference is that this recipe uses zero-carb protein instead of egg white powder. Let's start by looking at the ingredients. The first ingredient is 1 teaspoon of beef gelatin. The original recipe called for toasting the gelatin, but I forgot to do that, so I added some smoke flavoring later to compensate. Next is 2 eggs, followed by a 1/4 cup of zero-carb protein powder. The last 2 ingredients are a 1/4 inch thick vertical width slice of Spam and 2 ounces of cream cheese. Here are the spices I used in this recipe. Of course, these can be adjusted to best suit your individual taste preferences. Now, it's time to get cooking. First, we'll melt a 1/4 teaspoon of bacon grease, butter, lard or tallow to a medium pan over medium heat. Then we'll add the cream cheese and scramble the eggs in the melted cream cheese. Continue scrambling until the eggs and cream cheese are thoroughly combined. Next, we'll add the spices to the scrambled egg, cream cheese blend. Thoroughly stir with a whisk to evenly incorporate the spices. Transfer the spiced mixture to a blender. Next, place a 1/4 inch vertical slice of Spam on a cutting board and dice it into 1/4 inch blocks. Add the diced Spam to the blender. The mixture alone is too thick to blend, so we'll need to thin it with some water. 4 to 6 ounces should do the trick, depending on the degree of pastiness you prefer. Blend until thoroughly combined. Now it's time to add the protein powder to the paste and blend further until it's evenly dispersed. To create a chunky component for our paste, we'll need to microwave about 1/3 of our paste for a minute or so. Whisk the microwaved paste to break it up into bean-sized chunks. Gently mix the chunks into the paste and voila, we have our delicious ultra-low-carb refried beans. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.